Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at an amazing industrial sensor, the IR-01 Non-Contact Infrared Thermometer. It's a compact, stainless steel temperature sensor that measures the surface temperature of any object without touching it. Let's explore how it works, its wiring, installation, and why it's perfect for your process industry setup. The IR-01 infrared thermometer calculates temperature by detecting the infrared radiation emitted from the target. Unlike regular contact sensors, this one doesn't need physical contact, which makes it ideal for hot, moving, or hard-to-reach surfaces. It comes in a robust stainless steel body with IP65 protection, making it dust-proof and suitable for harsh industrial environments. Let's quickly look at the key technical details. Temperature range: -20 degrees Celsius to 1300 degrees Celsius. Optical resolution: 20 by 1. Accuracy: ±1% of reading or ±1.5 degrees Celsius. Response time: just 150 milliseconds. Power supply: 24 volts DC. Outputs: 4 to 20 mA, 0 to 5 volt, 0 to 10 volt, RS485 or RS232. Every object emits infrared energy depending on its temperature. The IR-01 sensor detects this infrared radiation and converts it into an electrical signal. That signal is then amplified, linearized, and processed by the electronics inside, giving you accurate, real-time temperature data. Installation is simple. The sensor has an M18x1 metal thread, so you can mount it directly on a panel or use the adjustable bracket for angle alignment. Make sure the line of sight between the sensor and target is clear, no obstructions or reflections. Also, keep the target area within the field of view of the sensor for accurate readings. Now let's look at the wiring. Depending on the model, you'll have 2-wire, 3-wire, or 4-wire connections. For example, in the 4 to 20 mA output version, red wire is equal to 24 VDC plus. Blue is equal to current. In our S485 type, red is equal to 24 VDC plus. Black is equal to 24 VDC. Green is equal to our S485A. White is equal to our S485B. Follow this chart carefully during installation to avoid reverse polarity or signal errors. To maintain accuracy, always keep the lens clean using alcohol wipes. Avoid dusty or smoky environments, and keep it away from electromagnetic sources like motors or heavy cables. If you are working in high-temperature zones, use a cooling jacket or air purge system. So that was the complete overview of the IR-01 Non-Contact Infrared Thermometer. It's precise, fast, and built for industrial environments. If you want to know more or need pricing, feel free to contact us at Radical TechArt. Links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more industrial product insights. See you in the next video.